Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Well, we're standing here in my dining room and I've been so busy lately. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you know that I wanted to paint my dining room table and chairs and bring in some more farmhouse into my dining room. After making these drop cloth curtains, I was like, you know what? Everything needs to go, everything needs to change. So if you can see, there's a burgundy runner here, so I had a little bit of burgundy in this room. My chair rail, the wall from the chair rail down, that was painted a dark burgundy color, so I recently painted that. And then the cushions on the chair, they have a little bit of burgundy in them. So all that's going to be changed. And if you can see a little sneak peek behind me, I've already painted this chair back here in an ivory color. So I actually painted that with a spray can. So I'll share with you guys how that chair looks. I think it came out really nice and share with you the paint that I used. But today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna decorate the top of my table here, farmhouse, and I've had to do a lot of online shopping. So I purchased some stuff from at home. I'm waiting on some stuff from Hobby Lobby to come in. But let me share with you what I got at home because I absolutely love this. This wooden weathered tray, this was priced at $34.99 with the black handles. I've never shopped at home before. I didn't know there was one in Florida here. Come to find out there's one in Lutz. So I ordered online and guess what? Somebody came out in their own car and delivered it the very next day. So I was super excited about that. And I really love the way this tray looks. So I'll be decorating this tray. And then the next item from at home was this rooster. I love this rooster. He's really cute. He's off-white and he's really distressed, and he was priced at $29.99. And then over at Walmart, I picked up a table runner. Now I just am using this for today. I may keep it, I'm not sure, but I have another one that's coming in from Estes, which is gonna probably take like 2 weeks for them to even deliver it, for it to even get shipped, really. So what I like about the one from Estes, it's a lot wider. This one isn't that wide. So we'll see how this looks and how it turns out. And then a couple things from around the house that I'm going to use to decorate with. I have this candlestick here. I think this came from Hobby Lobby. And then I have the LED candle, flickering candle that I'm going to use. These came in a 3-pack. These came from Amazon. And then I have these little boxwood little balls here. These came from Hobby Lobby, probably for a couple dollars. I've had these. And then I have this little stand. And then I have this little gather sign. This came from Hobby Lobby. This is from their spring shop. This was priced at $9.99. And a lot of times you can find the spring shop items 40% off. So that's everything I have to decorate with. So let's go decorate. Well, here's a look at the chairs side by side. And I absolutely love this ivory color. And I'm using the Krylon paint and primer in one. And it's called Satin Ivory. And then I also have this clear satin finish that you'll want to put on your chair after spray painting. So right now all I have left to do, I have 2 chairs to paint. And then I do want to change the fabric on the chair, so I'll be searching for some new fabric for that. But you'll have to come back and watch my video next week on my dining room table makeover. So right now, I can't do any painting outside because it's raining out and I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. But by next week, I should have this all finished and the fabric finished as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some decorating ideas and inspiration. So be sure to come back next week for my dining room table makeover because I am super excited. I cannot wait to show you how it turns out with the new fabric and everything done in this room. And as you can see back here, there is no more burgundy. This is a canvas tan. So be sure to see me next week. And until next time, happy decorating.